In this fleeting world about which I don't care, like a bird I fly in air. I don't accumulate either food or care, as I am sure He will give me my part of share. As the death waits for me in its lair, I hover above without despair. I have nothing to lose or to gain. All these exercises are just in vain. I am the body with a soul. This is what I was told. I am the soul with a body. Guru gave me this wisdom of gold. I may have pained but never suffered, as my Guru got me covered. Floating above the horizon of stare, like a bird I fly in air, like a bird I fly in air.